I have a huge happy surprise today. So my glasses, EYEBUYDIRECT. I have just discovered this is them. EYEBUYDIRECT. EYEBUYDIRECT. My favorite. Okay, but seriously, so I've just come across EYEBUYDIRECT and I've been waiting what it feels like forever to receive my package. So I ordered 4. I just opened one because I was way too excited, and then I was like, no, I need to share this momentous moment. I have 3 others that I need to open, and I want you guys to tell me which one looks best. And I don't know, I think they're all gonna look amazing. They all have different functions. But yeah, let's open them together. It's like Christmas time. All right, so the ones that I'm wearing, they have the code of the name on them. So this one's called Hepburn. Actually, I need to double check because I believe that the lens changes when it goes outside, and I chose a brown lens. Ta-da! So, I mean, it's nighttime now, so I can try again tomorrow. I love glasses. I feel like I look so much smarter. And yeah, I did my eyebrows yesterday, 1,000 hour brow, so they really framed the frames. I feel so much more Instagrammable now. You may see me wearing these all the time now. Oh, okay. What is the next one? So they come in a box, and then you pull the tabs, and ta-da! And then they're in a little box, a little baguette. We open, and oh, this is the one that I loved. Put you over there for a moment. This one is called Borderline, and it will save your eyes from the blue rays on your phone, on your screening. So oh, interesting. It makes everything a little bit more orange from what I can see. I like it. Which one's better? I still think I like those ones from beginning. Or maybe this is better with my eyebrows not so dark. But they're so pretty. I think probably if I'm wearing something more interesting of an outfit, it will look more like, whoa, what's going on? Or if I had my hair, no, I look like crap. It's a big change, isn't it? No, no, no. Smart. Instantly smart. Alright, next one. So this is gonna be a quick video, but I really want you guys to leave any comments that you think, because I am going to be ordering again, and I actually feel more comfortable. Like, they're so comfortable. See? And we come with a little cleaner. But what else is this? This must be to tighten your glasses as well. That's really cool. Very handy. The next one. Oh, what is it? This way. No, this way. I literally love them all. I don't know how to choose a favorite. This one's called Sunmi. I don't know what's happened to my hair today, but I swear I've done treatments, and it's healthy. So what do we think about this one? This one also is, wait for it. Yes, this one will save your eyes from the screen as well. So you can be on your computer all day and you look like you're smart and you need glasses to read, but you're just protecting your eyes. So I think that's amazing. And they've got 2 types of quality. One is more strength to protect the eyes from different rays, and they have different strength also for when you go outside and you want them to become tinted. And they also have for reading if you need, but at the moment I don't need, but I do believe it will happen. So the hair tie I prepared earlier, it's Probably looking more smarty pants. I like them so much. Yes. Okay. What do you think of Sunmi Shell? And actually the frames themselves are really cheap. I think these were $30 around about, maybe 25, and then you just pay extra on your the lensing that you're going to choose. So if you just want the frames with a basic lens, it's $30, or there was a bunch of them that were cheaper and they're doing sales, and my viewers get 20% off. So check out the link in below for a link and get shopping. Okay, we have one more box. The Lucky Last. I don't actually remember which one this was. I definitely remember the others. Ta-da! The Lucky Last. You can see the inside has blue tint and the outside has the tortoise shell. This one is called Annabelle. All right, what do you think? That's number 4. I think this one's really cute. It reminds me of Borderline, but slightly different. And I got different lenses for the Annabelle. It is protecting my screen, I think, as well. Or was it going outside? I don't know. So I'm just looking at myself in my upper camera. It takes as a nice little mirror at the same time, but I don't know. I like them all. Okay, well, anyway, I can probably use 2 in one day. I'll use one for half the day, or if I'm looking at my computer working on my assignments, and the other ones can just be fashionable walking around. And I think when you look at me like this compared to this, there's a huge change. Get shopping. Leave it with these ones. These are my favorite. Wait, these are called Hepburn Clear.